The adult is the one who acquired one of the signs of adulthood, puberty, and there are 3 in total for the male and 4 in total with respect to the female. The 3 that are common: number 1, completing 15 years of age; the second, ejaculation of semen in state of awakeness or during sleep, during to sexual arousal. The third is the growth of the pubic hair. These 3 are common to men and women. There is an additional one specific to the woman, and this is the menses. This is one of the signs of reaching the state of puberty.